to you.
Hi, Mark. We're talking about trick-or-treating. You know, a lot of times we go out with our kids and trick-or-treat, but we always are looking for fun and safe alternatives. And Dinah, Wulf is here. Good to see you with DIY Inspired. We're talking about something called trunk or treating.
Yes.
That's so interesting and so beautiful. Tell us all about it.
Yes, trunk or treat has gained popularity over the years. More and more small communities are doing them in their parking lot churches, or their church parking lot and school parking lots, where it's a confined area and safer for kids. A lot of community members, they know each other, so you don't have to worry about moving vehicles and dark streets. And yeah, it's a great way for people to pull their cars all together and show off their best Halloween decorating.
How does it work exactly?
So a school will put it on typically, or church, and everyone signs up and they park their cars facing out, and everyone picks a theme and they go wild with their Halloween
decorations.
Yes,
all right, let's take a look then. You've got some beautiful little girls. This is our first car. What is this theme?
Our first car is the 2019 Bolt EV. It's an electric vehicle, and we brought this paparazzi Hollywood theme going on here. I made these wooden boxes out of plywood from my garage that I had left over, stuffed it with some styrofoam so it's light and easy to transport in your car when you take it to the parking lot, and an inexpensive Hollywood sign from a party store.
So if I were a trick-or-treater and I came up to this car, these would be my candy. So you actually have candy here for the kids.
Yes, so the kids walk up the red carpet. We have our stars featured on the Mummy and King Kong, and we have, at KTLA, we got to go big. So we have full-size candy treats here.
Cute. That
And
is
you
so
can
creative.
Put them in your bag.
Wow, you guys give the big hookup with the big candy.
Yeah, and if you want, you have popcorn too.
All right, well, this is the VIP Hollywood.
Yes.
What is this theme? This is fun too. Hi, guys.
This is our 2020 Camaro. It is sophisticated and stylish. So we went with a spooky theme, with a romantic kind of lavish dinner with Mr. and Mrs. Skellington over here.
Oh.
And the kids can come up. This DIY is pretty easy because you can recycle and upcycle things that you already have in your house to use to decorate. And local inexpensive dollar stores are a good place to shop to decorate with a spooky chandelier.
Do you, can you tell us if we want to start something like this, can you just talk to your local school or to your church?
Yes, you could talk to the church, or PTA at school usually puts it on, and the parents get together and they decide all the things that they want to do. Yeah.
And this is super cute. You guys are the little race car drivers. Oh, and a mechanic.
Yeah, so this is also a 2020 Camaro. It is more aggressive and sporty. So we went with a race car theme because everyone knows that Camaros race on the racetrack. And sometimes kids have allergies, food allergies. So you want to have some non-food items available. So here we have, the kids can get little cars.
Race car, that's a good idea.
Yeah, as their treat. Or everyone's a winner with a trophy.
Oh, this is so cute.
Yeah.
I didn't even think about that with the kids having allergies with the candy and everything.
Right.
Dinah, thank you so much. Dinah's with DIY Inspired. You can find out more information at DIYinspired.com. Also, check out any of these cars. You can go to Chevrolet.com. So awesome. Thanks, guys. You look great. All the little ladies down there on the red carpet, too. All right, Frank.
All right, thanks a lot.